Question number 9th, exercise 2.4, chapter 2nd, mathematics class 8th, linear equations in one variable. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. This question is very simple. Prior solving, let's visualize it. So we have a grandfather and he's got a granddaughter. Statements gives us hints about their present ages which we have to find. So let's read the statements again. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. It simply means whatever the age of granddaughter is, grandfather's age can be calculated by multiplying 10 with granddaughter's age. Second line says he is also 54 years older than her. That is, grandfather's age is also 54 years more than whatever the age of granddaughter is. In this question, we clearly understand that grandfather's age is given in terms of granddaughter's age. Therefore, our assumption should be granddaughter's age. So let's proceed to the solution part. So we are considering granddaughter's age. So we write, let granddaughter's age be equals to d years. D stands for daughter's age, therefore we took small letter d as our variable. Since we have considered granddaughter's age, now we are in a position to find grandfather's age in terms of granddaughter's age. Therefore we write from the first line, grandfather is 10 times older. This can be written mathematically as grandfather's age equals to 10d years. That is, 10 is getting multiplied with d and we need not to write multiplication sign in between variable and its coefficient whenever they are multiplying. Therefore, we wrote equals to 10d years. Well, this gives us equation number first from our first line. From the second line we get he is also, he means grandfather. Therefore, we wrote also grandfather's age equals to d plus 54. That is, present age of granddaughter is considered as small letter d. When we add 54 to it, we get grandfather's age. Therefore, d plus 54 years. This we get from statement 2. Hence, we wrote equation number 2. No more further hints are there. But if you visualize both these equations, here grandfather age is given in two terms. Therefore, we are in a position to compare it. Hence, comparing equation number 1 and equation number 2. What is our equation number 1? That is equal to 10d years. So we wrote 10d years. That is equal to d plus 54 years. Here, you might be thinking that why we are comparing. We are comparing because in both statements, we are comparing same thing. That is grandfather's age, just written in two different ways. So it differs from question to question. Sometimes we have to compare, sometimes we have to straight away solve it. This you get with practice and by visualizing the things. Now this is our final equation. Years can be cancelled with years. Again, we are telling there's no need to write units while solving, but for demonstration purpose we are doing so. Now 10d on left hand side equals to d plus 54. It is simple. Let's transpose right hand side d towards left hand side. So do it in your mind. 10d minus d will be equal to 9d. That is equal to 54 on right hand side as it is. Cancelling opportunity, 1 9s are 9, 6 9s are 54. D is separated, its value came as 6. Therefore, we wrote d equals to 6. That is equal to what we have considered it. We have considered it granddaughter's age. So we wrote granddaughter's age equal to 6 years. Important point is you have to write units. Here in this question we are dealing with ages. Therefore, years has to be written after your answer. Since we have found granddaughter's age, we can find grandfather's age in two different ways. Because grandfather's age is provided to us in two different ways, similarly answer can be found in two different ways. First one is simple, just multiply 10 with granddaughter's age, that is equal to 6. You get 60 years. Another way is to plug the value of granddaughter's age, that is equal to 6 years, in equation number 2. So 6 plus 54 years will give you again 60 years. So we wrote also grandfather's age equals to 10d years since we are using equation number 1. So you can use either of the equations. Therefore, 10 is multiplied with 6, you get 60 years. This was a quite straightforward question and its solution was simple. The only concept you learned here is comparing. So you have to compare quantities when you are given same thing in two different ways. With this, our question number 9th of exercise 2.4, linear equations in one variable, mathematics class 8th, has been solved.